everyone, good evening to all of you. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I have taken a very simple topic and you all are familiar with this topic in your school days. It is basically a first chapter of our mathematics book. Number system. Key points to recall. So let's recall the points. In Hindu-Arabic system, we use the symbols 0 to 9. These symbols are called digits. All digits except 0 are called significant digits. 0 is known as insignificant digit. A number is denoted by a group of digits called numeral. Face value. In any number, face value is equal to digit itself. For example, 4683. What is the face value of 4? What is the definition of face value? That is, face value is equal to digit itself. So what is the face value of 4? It is itself 4. You can write over here. What is place value? The digit is multiplied by its place is called place value. Can we take a same number? Okay. So for example 4683. What is the place value of 4? You can see over here 3 is at 1 place, 8 is at 10th place, 6 is at 100 place and 4 is at 1000 place. So your answer will be 4000. Okay. The first one is natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers which we are counting are called natural numbers except 0. So example 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Okay, what are whole numbers? The numbers which we are counting, but here we will include 0 also. So it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. What are integers? Integers are those numbers which include 0 as well as negative numbers also. So for example 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, comma 0, 1, 2, 3. What are positive integers? Integers are of two types, positive integer, negative integer. So what are positive integers? That is 1, 2 and 3 which having a positive sign. Now what are negative integers? Which having a negative sign. That is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which can be come in the fraction form. For example, P upon Q. That is 5 by 7. Like this. Okay, what are irrational numbers which cannot be come in fraction form? For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, like this. What are real numbers? The set of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. What is even and odd number? You all are familiar with this. That is even numbers which having the 2, 4, 6, 8, multiple of 2s. And odd number, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are basically those numbers which is divisible by only itself and unity. That is, 1 is not a prime number, 2 is a prime number and 2 is divided by itself as well as 1 also. Okay, prime numbers are those numbers which have no factor. It is divisible by 1 and itself. For example, 17, 13, 37, etc. And what are the composite numbers? Those numbers which are divisible by 1 itself and one more factor. Okay, that is you can call unity. So guys, only one topic is left in this chapter, that is divisibility. Divisibility by 2, 3, 4 to up to 11. I already recorded this video and uploaded in my channel. Please go through this and learn those points. It is very simple to understand. Go through once with the test of divisibility. If you still not able to understand, let me know in the comment section box. The link is given in the description box. Please go through once. Thank you all. Keep supporting. Meet you in the next video.